for you, we have a special ice cream.
And the best part, it's dairy-free.
And also gluten-free as well. We will be making 2 batches, one for a Coca-Cola float and the other for a fruity rainbow milkshake, a milkshake by my own design. So, we're going to get started now. As soon as I turn on the ingredients on my phone, because, yeah. So, you need 3 bowls, a whisk, tapioca flour, cane sugar or regular sugar,
Bob's Red Milk,
almond milk,
flour,
or cashew milk, because those are all the milks we will be using and ingredients. So, we're going to start with the milk. First, we're going to do the almond milk batch for the milkshake.
Yeah.
So, we need 3 cups. 3 cups of unopened almond milk. Bear with.
Okay. That was funny.
So now, be very careful and pour 3 cups. 1 cup. Pour 1 cup, dump it in. Another cup, dump it in. Another cup, dump it in. Careful! Daddy! You're spilling it all over your hands.
It's splashing.
There's no turning back now. Dude, you're getting it all over me.
That's fun.
Okay, that's enough.
Dude. I think I'll pour it in because that will be much faster.
No, I'll pour it in, but I'll do it good this time.
Alright. Here's our 2nd cup. Oh, don't hold it on the table, buddy. You gotta lift it up. Lift it up. There we go. Okay, too much.
Okay, there we go.
Actually, not too much, but you know, it's good.
Alright,
2. And the last cup.
let's go. There we go. That's our 3rd.
So we have 3 cups of unsweetened dairy-free milk.
And
now we're moving on to our 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour. And Bob's Red Mill is a super good brand. We really love their products. This is not a sponsored video. And can I have the tablespoon, please?
And remember to put the cap back on the milk when you're done.
Yep. So now we're going to take this. We're going to take this tapioca flour,
Not starch.
and I'm going to do this part because it's a bit messy. So you're just going to like smooth it along the side of the bag. You can't come in yet. Dogs.
She's talking to the dogs.
Yeah. So.
I think the shotgun mic is picking that up.
Great dog. You can't come back in yet.
Okay, I think we should just let them in now.
No. Because Granger's gonna mess with the green screen. Stop pooping up. Good grief.
It's like a barrel of gunpowder.
Angry tapioca flour.
It's like a barrel of gunpowder.
No. Okay, so we have the milk, we have the tapioca flour, and now we need 2/3 cup of granulated sugar. So we're gonna have the 1/3 cup and we're gonna have the sugar.
Yeah, buddy.
1/3 cup. If you don't have a 1/3 cup on hand, what you do is you take the cup and you kind of like eye it and see, you divide it into thirds. If you need to draw along the side, that could be helpful too. You need to use a roller to make it precise. Go on ahead.
And
whatever works for you. If you don't have the necessary items in your kitchen, Don't always improvise. It's not usually a good idea, but in some cases it is.
And if you're
It is.
And if you don't know fractions yet, get an adult to help you.
Yeah, I will be pouring this.
I'm in 3rd grade, so I know fractions.
We need a pinch of kosher salt in case we forgot to mention that.
We did.
So now we pour in our first 3rd cup of granulated sugar. Make sure it's granulated, okay? Do not mix it up with confectioner's sugar. If you do that, the consistency will not be right. So now we're going to pour our 2nd cup. Oy. Deal with the other dough.
And we have not used the creamy cashew before.
We're not using it right now. We're
No.
using the almond milk.
Yeah, the almond.
This is the first recipe, dude.
I know, but we have not used the creamy cashew milk before, so once we get to that, I will be very excited.
Yeah, so this is a new experience for all of us. You know, first time's the charm, right? Oh, I just jinxed it, didn't I? Aye! It's a good thing I didn't let you pour, because even I can't.
Like,
Thank you, sir. There we go. Okay, I didn't spill too much.
So yeah, so far.
Okay, so we have the 2/3 cup. So now we have the 1.5 wait, bear with. Oh, we have the tablespoon of vanilla extract. I was reading a completely different thing. My bad, I'm sorry. We'll be editing that out. So now what you're going to do is you're going to pour that vanilla in that, like so. Swoosh, you put that in with the milk. Now what you're going to do is you're going to have whoever else is with you or you yourself are going to clean that all up as you go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the whisk, the dry ingredients, you're going to mix them all together like that.
That looks cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. That sounded weird. You can see it because we're using a glass bowl.
Yeah. Purple glass bowl. Is that purple? Is that purple or pink?
I think it's a purplish brown.
Purplish, pinkish, brownish.
Yeah, purple, pink, brown. It's a new color, purple, pink,
Okay,
brown.
so you have mixed your dry ingredients. Now we move on to the liquid ingredients. Woo. Okay, so now that that's all done, we're going to take the bigger bowl. The bigger bowl.
This one.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's
This
huge.
big old bowl. And we're going to pour the wet ingredients in here. Don't splash, don't splash, don't splash. Wait! I need to pour the wet ingredients into the dry. And it won't splash. It's fine. Probably will splash.
Oh wait, so it really didn't matter that you put the wrong thing. You put the thing in the wrong bowl.
I sure hope not.
I don't think it will matter because you're putting
Okay.
those ingredients.
You can put the almond milk away though. Oh, okay. Yeah, Connor, go ahead and put the almond milk away.
All right, I will do that.
Alright, so you got all that in there, yeah? Alright, so now what Connor's gonna do is he's gonna whisk it until it's nice and smooth and creamy. What Connor's gonna do is he's gonna whisk it until it's nice and smooth and creamy.
Okay.
What Connor is going to do.
Hold it like a pencil.
Okay, so a little bit of sugar spilled out, so we're just gonna get that in there. What?
You'll already feel it starting to get a little bit of creamy to it.
Don't overmix it.
you think that's okay?
Let me see.
And if you sniff it, it'll smell really, really good. It smells good though.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to refrigerate that overnight. Thank you, sir. And we will see you as soon as I snap. Well, you will see us as soon as I snap, but we will see you tomorrow. Hey, 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 we're here. We've made it. We're at morning time now. So we're going to make the ice cream now. So we're going to take the almond milk ice cream, which was the first batch, I think. And we're going to take it, we're going to take the lid off of the ice cream machine. We're going to take this, put it there. We're going to take the ice cream box that has been freezing, put it in there. Now we're going to make it so that this is open like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pour it in. Beautiful. So now he's going to take this. He's not going to take this. I'm going to put it over here myself. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take the spinny thing. We're going to put it in the ice cream. We're going to put the lid back on. We're going to flip the on switch. And we will see you in 20 minutes. While the paddle is churning, we're going to add green food coloring. I forgot to mention this step, but it's not too late to mention it now. So, let's add this green food coloring. Alright, so, welcome back. So the ice cream is done, the timer rang, so we're going to turn this off. We're going to take the lid off. We have my brother here. Welcome back, Connor. So now we're going to take the lid off, if we can, because the lid is annoying. Look at that! Ice cream success, I'd say.
That looks like kinetic sand.
No, it
Kinetic
doesn't.
sand.
It looks better than last time.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Spoon.
Kinetic sand.
Spoon. I got it.
Dad doesn't know how to get a spoon.
So now we're going to try the ice cream. Huh?
Now we're gonna try it. My turn.
Not all
first?
this.
Oh wait, then shouldn't we have two spoons?
Try it.
I think we should have
Try
two
it.
spoons.
Share one.
No.
Okay, you can have all of it. Just tell me if it's good. Does it taste like ice cream?
Tastes better than ice cream.
We made dairy-free better than ice cream. So, link in the description if you want to see our video how to use this ice cream. We will see you then. Goodbye.